So what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to be doing unboxing and first impressions of the GAN 251M, and we will start right now. So quickly just open the package. Let's see. Oops, and by the way, don't use a rusty paper cutter, but whatever. And okay, dear, I'm in packet. How do you open this? Oh, gosh.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so finally I figured out this box. Okay, so let's see. Whoops, camera moved. This is just the shipping thing. Don't need that. Whoa. You heard of this site? This site is like the savior of speed cubing in India. So check it out. Link will be in the description. Don't need you. This thing don't need you. Worst box ever. Just do this. And here we have cool stuff. Oh my god. This is looking great. As you can see, GAN 251M. Let's quickly open the box. A box in another box. Why GAN have to do this all time? Now let's open this stuff. Oh my god. So we got a nice, very soft cube bag. I'm not gonna break it. I have got two of this now. This thing here. A pamphlet of how to solve a 2x2. Let me look at that. This thing. Okay, the case and everything. What is this? Okay, no important stuff. But the cool stuff is right here. Okay, I got the cube and this GES nuts. Hope you can hear that. Okay, so I will look into that soon, but let's keep that all thing aside. And now let's see the cube itself. Okay, this box is already opened. Now this box going. I have another box for this GAN access. Wait, let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, I have this box of the GAN access. Cool, right? Keep that aside. Now the cube itself. Let's see, like this plastic also feels premium. Okay, so this is the cube. Okay, I think this is looped. No, it doesn't seem to. Now, as you can see, this is a sort of matte finish to it, matte feel to it. As you can see, like this is not shining at the light when light is on this, but when you use this matte finish very much, then it's something becomes like this. So this is my GAN XS, as you can see from the magnets. And after using it bit, I think I have done 2000 sols on this, but after 100-200 sols, this becomes more like a glossy one, not like a matte finish, but there is a frosted plastic and matte finish in here. So let's Okay, there is probably, yes, there's green GES nuts in there. And here we have yellow, which is going to be stronger, blue slightly weaker, and this one, what is this, purple, more weaker, the weakest. And now let's get into the first turns. So the magnets is kind of strong, I think. I will say this is strong. Up, yes, this is strong. Okay, this is same as the strong settings on the GAN axis. So I like the strong magnets. And let's go into some first turns. Okay, so this is too loose for me, I think. So I need to slow this down a bit. This is too fast for me. I am getting some lockups on this. So let's do a quick solve. Okay, I'm not the greatest at 2x2, but whatever. Okay, I'm getting some lockups on this. I'm getting some lockups on this. Oh shit, what the heck. So I'm getting some lockups on this, but this is pretty good, and I think this is going to be my main. You know what, because my the 2x2 which I currently own and it's mine, which is my main, literally sucks. So this one is very premium. This one feel like very nice. And I will be messing around the GES nut soon. And also I will be lubing it something like weight 3, I think. Because I need to not completely slow this down, but slow this down a bit. So this is too fast now. And I will slow this down a bit. And that is pretty much it. That is pretty much it for this video, I think. Okay, sorry for that camera angle. Okay, so if you want to see a full in-depth review for this cube, then I will be posting a review soon, and when I will post that video, I will put the link in the description, so you may check that out. And for this video, it's over. And also follow me on Instagram. ID will be on the end screen, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, so you can guess now what whole lot you thinks that you get with only one single cube. I know this thing also.